Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I will continue on the previous recording where I started to try to configure Neovim with using mostly mini.nvim. I think now I need to use at least 2 or 3 plugins that are not yet part of the mini.nvim ecosystem: Treesitter and LSP config and conform.nvim. I have on the other window, I have, I'm gonna copy paste some code and start to add those things too. I was stuck here and I just want to add a few little options, I think. Still on the options side, I wouldn't mind that tab stops are automatically 2. So I do vim opt shift width, I think 2, right? And then I want here tab stop 2, and I think I want also shift, no, expand tab true. Let's see if that sources without a problem. It does. Very nice. I'm folding it already nicely. Here is another one. I'm not sure if that's useful, but I want, just in case, I think it's not gonna hurt anyone to set that to true. Sourcing it looks good. So now tabbing is with 2. So this one is done. This one is done. Let's look now at mini.pick. And here I started already. Here, this I set already in the mini.clue. So leader F would be find. I'll do leader find file for pick files, and leader FB should be find buffers, huh? So let's see. First I need to install pick. Let me cheat a little bit of the internet. mini.pick Neovim, and if I compare with above, I wonder if I could do it that simple again. I think here I saw that in the package manager part from some other config, I saw a little more helpers. So we can do a local add now, later, and now it's mini.dipped. Let me put that in the add, then now, and later. Now I think I can use those, and the adding, it'll check and install it. The now is that it will run immediately, and later is sort of a lazy loading, so it can go later. Now if I adjust the mini.clue setup, this is something I don't need to run immediately. So I can do later. Function. Function needs this. And the question is, I will remove here this variable, which then means I will move this up, and now this should work, huh? Let me see. It's complaining line 56. Why would it be complaining? I am not closing this function, huh? Need to close it at the end of close. So probably here. Line 92. And this probably now needs require mini.clue. How do we do it up here? Mini.clue, like this. Mini.clue. Let's do it here. Here, close it. Close it. And now it complains line 93. Good. Need this one. I'll have to do it every time, huh? One more time. This would be a good time to learn macros, right? Let's see. Oh, it doesn't complain anymore. So I changed this into a later function. I don't need to change the package manager per se, is fine. So let me close those. And now with mini.pick, I can... Is it the picker that I want? Is the picker the telescope? Yeah, the picker is the telescope. Replacement possibly, huh? So let's do... What did I do here? I do now function this, and now so it doesn't complain, I do end here, huh? In between. Let me just do require mini.pick setup, and I forgot here this, and is this gonna complain? And can I pick something now? Wow, very nice. Here it is. And now I can write function here. Here, let me check. I will map quickly up here. Just have all the mappings up here. I want to do the, what did I say, FF, and I will call this pick. How did it go? Files, huh? Files. And the description is find files. Let's do FF, and it works already. I really prefer when it's not at the top. I like my eyes to stay at the bottom. So let me see if I can do the buffer too. And this is pick buffer and find buffer, and let's see. Nice. Oh, pick buffers. That's it, huh? Let's see. FB. Nice. Okay. So if we look at our thing, this. Oh, not sure what just happened. This I have done too, but I'm not quite happy with the setup here. Now let's go look at this help file of mini.pick. And the question is, can I look at it in here? Help mini. No, I cannot. Huh? Okay. So I want to really change the layout a bit. So I think this first part is to create your own picker. I'm scrolling, I'm looking for something. Configurations. Oh, there it goes. There is on line 600 configuration examples. This is gonna be good. Very nice examples. Always love the examples, huh? Okay, found it. Here I want to do options. And here is content from bottom and true. Let's source it. Let's do Control FF. It's written at the bottom. Beautiful. Very nice. That's already perfect. Then there is something that you could do too, which is, why am I doing a now? This is definitely a later, huh? What we can do before we require and set this. So here we can create another window. And then this could be bigger or a different size. We do local win config equal function, and then we here end the function, right? And I want to make this really big, so height will be floor. I'm copy pasting here a little bit, times Vim O lines. Then here we also do the width. Vim columns. And then we need to return the table, which is gonna be height equals height, width equals width, need that for a table, and border solid. And let's see, oh, it complains. Why does it complain? It complains on 119. Well, this looks wrong. Now, looks better, huh? Is it already changing? Not yet. Because now I need to, here, I want a window changed to config is this new win config from above. Need to close the parentheses, let's source it, and what happened? Line 113. Row. Well, this is irritating. The cursor sort of disappeared, huh? Let's see. This will complain now a lot, huh? Yeah. This will complain a lot. But I need to see my cursor. Row, math, floor, 0.1 equals Vim O lines minus height. Can't even do that, huh? Call. And here we do column. Aha, I found it. Columns. Here is the error, huh? That was it. Columns minus width. No. I'm gonna. Oh, that is not what I wanted. I wanted to quit out, restart again. It's complaining on 115, so I go 115 GG. What did it complain again about? Expected symbol near equal 115. Set number. What if I comment those two out again? Ah, found it here. And let me do this. I think it's gonna go much better once I install an LSP, huh? Let's do this again. Oh, 115 again. First of all, I'm gonna set number and do 115 GG. I wanna just see what happens if I do this and do this again. Oh, all right. And what does the pick look like? Oh, much bigger. Nice. I like it. Much bigger. Okay. That's nice. I think we leave it at that for now. Now I really want to add as fast as I can Treesitter. And then can I also super quickly add mini.pairs so I don't have to close these parentheses anymore manually. And here we go. We do now function and require let's do this. Oh, maybe without this. Let's do here require mini.pairs set up like this 130 set number. I see also that I need to set this so that would be wait up number true maybe. Let's go again to this 134 GG. And I would say that's missing. Yes. And now if I do a parenthesis, it closes automatically. Oh, that's nice. Treesitter. Back to Treesitter. Treesitter, as far as I'm concerned, can go later. Again, function and then end. Now, this I haven't installed yet, which means I want to add this guy. How would I install Treesitter the best? Treesitter Neovim Dyn lazy mini dot. The mini package manager has nothing yet. What a disaster. Could this be my very first pull request to ask plugins to add the mini package manager to their documentation? Why not? Could be something I try to do. That means I have to learn Git. Let's see, but I can use some of this. So here we go. Add. Source nvim Treesitter nvim Treesitter. What happens? It installs. Very nice. Then it says hooks. This is run after run update after checkout, which is then a hook equal that post checkout equal function function vim command ts update. End of the function from before. Like that. Let's see. Probably nothing happens now. So I added this entire thing. But I still want to configure it. Treesitter. Because I want Lua installed now. Setup. Nice. Ensure installed. What do we want installed? I want installed Lua. Vim doc. And I like to write things in Markdown and Markdown inline. Then highlight, enable, true. Not sure what that does, but it sort of seems like something I want to do too. And let's see if it installs. Installed. Very nice. Has been installed. Treesitter, which means up here, done. Yes, I want to close. Treesitter, and to close. Ah, I forgot to add my folding marker. I'll put it here at the end. And we have Treesitter. Nice. Now the LSP. Oh, the LSP looks difficult. Oi. Maybe not. So first, let's do... I think I have done enough for today. So for next time, the LSP. And let's do a ridiculous quick one for conform. That's an auto formatter. I want later add, and then the auto formatter is Steve ARC conform.nvim. Don't need. Nothing. And I will go here to the end, do this and that, and I source it. I was expecting that it would update now. Obviously I'm doing something wrong. Just gonna do this. I think if I go to Neovim conform.nvim, then does it require? Huh? Ah, That's what I was looking for. There, here we go. It uploaded an update of mini.nvim, and Treesitter and conform.nvim is now installed. Perfect. So, depth. I was looking for. And now, if I format something poorly, like here, it doesn't auto-format yet. I think I need the LSP also installed. Or I need to do additional things to conform.nvim maybe. Well, I definitely need to add more stuff to here. I obviously only installed it. I didn't configure it at all. Steve arc dot conform.nvim, then it's set up this. Oh, typing helps, huh? Is this needed? What is not needed? Maybe this? Let me check again. Oh, possibly I only need to write conform. Yeah. And here I want to run formatters by file type. And then here I want Lua. And I'm copying now from the documentation page, style Lua. And need to close this and source it. Let's see. Still doesn't do anything now. What I want, that when I save, that it automatically formats it. Save. Let's go here. And then it says again in the documentation, I guess so it takes a second or less than a second, and then LSP format. Fall back. And now when I format something poorly, like here, no, I think, yeah, so this one doesn't work yet perfectly. I think I also need to have the Lua server installed. Let's see if that one is Lua language server. I have it installed. I went with Ctrl C to suspend. I go back and that's it. I was hoping this sort of would format the thing. Lua require conform format. Let's just do LSP also. I think here I might be able to copy paste some of the Lua config from the wiki. So I have the Lua language server installed. Control F, Lua. Lua ls. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Lua language server. Alright, so here we do I want this installed, add source, and it's Neovim, and it is nvim lsp config. And now here we go. What I copy pasted from the page. No, that didn't work. Let's see. Copied. And do again. No, there we go. A whole lot was just pasted in. I'm just sourcing it. I hope that this actually works. It did install. And now in theory, LSP info, it's not attaching this. Can I do LSP start? And again, LSP info. No. Just want to run this again. LSP info. Did just something work? 0 clients attached. We're getting closer. Let's look at this now for once. Feel like we did too much here already. And then we do a lot of things here I don't understand. I'm gonna do much less. There, settings, Lua. And now, here I want that runtime version Lua just in time. Okay. But wait. Oh, it happened. It's working. Beautiful. Is that all that is needed? So now every time I screw up my formatting, I just save and it auto formats. Ah, beautiful. I think now for next time I would should probably do the LSP much earlier, huh? LSP, Treesitter, and then conform. So this is now already quite nice. Pretty sure it's not perfect. I also want the picker maybe to be a little smaller. So this is all for now. Thank you very much for watching or listening, and all the best to you wherever you are. Good night, good day, or good evening, and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.